Hi all, this video is for those CA Inter students unfortunately did not get through your July 21 exams, and if you are one of them who are looking forward to get done with your CA Inter in December 21 exams, this video is for you. Just stay for 2 to 3 minutes. Just a small example that in your course, in CA course, failure is normal. It will be hard, but the moment you accept it and go forward, that's when things will get better for you. So all you have to do is, first, when things did not go well, July 21 did not go well for you, identify what went wrong, which subject went wrong. If you're writing both groups or single group, not everybody will struggle with all the 8 subjects, just 1-2 subjects, 1-2 areas you will be struggling. Sometimes you will need classes, sometimes you will just need test series. Classes, you might not need 100 hours, 150 hours. All you need is quick revision because it's been a long time. There might be amendments, subject like law, tax, audit and all, you will have a lot of amendments. So depending upon you, some of you will feel you need crash course for all subjects. So you will identify and you can take up a class which is only going to help you for mainly revision, and you need something to be crisp in 50 to 60 hours. Now, let me give you a small example. When you learn a subject conceptually with the concepts, you are never going to forget it. I'll give you a small example. All of you watching this must be aware of the concept of holding and subsidiary company in CA Inter Law. What is a holding company? More than 50%. So let's say this company is holding 60% share capital in S. H is a company, S is a company. I'm asking you which is the holding company. Answer to yourself, H is the holding company. I'm adding one more point here. S is also holding 65% share capital in H. Now you tell me which is the holding company. H is also holding 60% in S. S is also holding 65% in H. Therefore, did you get a doubt in your head? Oh, which can be the holding company? Is H the holding of S, or because S is having more share, they are the holding of H? That means practically it is not possible because you cannot control each other. Only one party can control the other party. That is why in section 19 of the Companies Act, they say a subsidiary company cannot hold shares in the holding company. So when you read law, just memorize subsidiary company cannot hold shares in holding company. You will just memorize that as a point. But there is logic and a concept of why behind every single concept. So if you're looking for these kind of concepts, if you learn these concepts, you will understand the subject better. So we have crash course at Insight Commerce Studies starting from October 1st till November 30th for all subjects. You can either join all subjects or single subject. We are starting off with law first. Every subject, the first 2 days will be demo for you. Now let's focus on law, which is starting on October 1st. In the description of this video, I have attached some links, at least some interesting topics like CSR, corporate social responsibility, so many amendments. So I've given you CSR demo link below. Below after CSR, we also have dividend chapter and one from other laws, General Clause Act. It's an act which most students skip. They don't like it. If you're a student, you just think if you studied this, watch that video. It's a 2 hours class. I've given a link. See how the class is. If you're interested, you can register for the class. And those who are interested, there's also a WhatsApp group and link for registration below itself. You can see the description video and reach out to us if you're interested in joining the classes. So all the best for the exams. Whether you join the class or not, you stay till here. The approach has to change for your exams. Mindset. Remember to learn the concept. Remember to plan well and ensure December 21 goes well for you. All the best, guys. And one more thing, just some features of the class. Few features of the class which I need to share. One is class will be online live plus face to face. Online live plus face to face. You can choose to attend online live or face to face in Chennai. Whether you choose online live or face to face, you will also be given recording backup, which will have unlimited views in the mobile app. You can watch unlimited number of times. We will also conduct test series. You will, for the subjects taken, whichever subject you join, you can take up test in the academy. Then we will also be giving you material. We will give you material for the book. And the most important feature is this recording feature. Every feature online live face to face is there, test and material, but recording with unlimited views will help you revise multiple times. So all the best for the exams, guys. Those who are interested can reach out to us. Thank you.